Hi, I'm Mark Robertson. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a planning problem. They work hard, they earn a living, they try to do the right things financially, yet they still wonder, am I saving enough? Will I ever be able to retire? Am I making the right financial decisions? And perhaps most importantly, am I actually making progress toward the life I want to live? If any of that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. I created RobertsonCFP because I want everyone to have access to quality financial planning guidance. My mission is simple: to help individuals and families create extraordinary financial lives through education, planning, and action. Inside the Robertson CFP community, you'll find everything you need to succeed, from step-by-step courses and practical tools to worksheets and financial calculators. You'll also get educational videos, live webinars, and access to a supportive community, all working together to build a better future. Together, you can create a clear vision for your life, understand where you stand today, eliminate financial stress, and build wealth, prepare for retirement, and create a plan that supports the life you truly want to live. For more than 25 years as a certified financial planner, I've helped individuals and families navigate important financial decisions and achieve their personal goals. Now I've built a platform that allows me to help thousands more. Do you know what the best part is? You can access everything for less than the cost of a cup of coffee each month. That's right, for just $5 a month, you can have access to all of the tools you need to create your own plan. Because financial planning shouldn't be complicated, and it shouldn't be reserved for the wealthy. It should be available to anyone willing to take control of their future. So if you're ready to move from confusion to clarity, from stress to confidence, and from hoping things will work out to having a clear financial plan, I'd be honored to help you get there. Welcome to Robertson CFP. Let's build your future together.